What's up, guys? Jordan here, J&Rs Garage. We got a new project in here today. It's a 2013 Dodge Charger. It is wrecked. It's a police package. It's got a HEMI. That's basically all that matters. Yeah, it's a 2013. We bought it from a local insurance wrecking yard, so it's a total loss vehicle. So it needs 2 inspections, body integrity and mechanical inspection. So yeah, this is the beginning of the build series on this car. We're gonna get it through the inspections, get it roadworthy, and then we're gonna take it even beyond that and very minimum make it like a RT. So like nicer interior, dress it up a little bit. I would really like to like Hellcat it. I'd like to put a supercharger on it and a bunch of stuff, fancy paint job and new set of wheels, some SRT wheels and exhaust, all kinds of stuff. Anyways, so we're just gonna start off by fixing it really. That will be a few videos. Once it's roadworthy, we'll take it up a notch and do some fun, cool stuff with it. So soon we're gonna take it for the inspection. We're gonna find out exactly what it all needs. I already have a pretty good idea of what I think it all needs, but usually when you take it to the inspection station, they find other stuff like, you know, brakes or, you know, ball joints, tie rods, stuff like that. Anyways, that's it. And this is it. Check it out. What's up, guys? So the Charger came back from its first inspection today and I made a list. Boom. 2013 Charger rebuild. Yeah, sure. Okay. There it is. It's not that big of a list. It's pretty short actually. And that once it's all done, it will go back in for inspection and it will be like, you know, roadworthy. So I'm gonna put this up. What's up? This is a salvage title, 2013 Dodge Charger. You may have seen it in a different video we made. And this is about $1,000 roughly of parts. Basically everything it's going to take to rebuild it. Minus a couple plastic pieces and a door hinge or something like that. I'm just going to unbox most of this stuff, make sure that it's what it's supposed to be. Some of it's already out of the boxes. So headlight, that came from a salvage lot here in the city. Front bumper rebar, that also came from the same salvage lot. Actually the same place that the car came from. When I bought the car, I just said, hey, it's gonna need these things, do you have them? And they said, yeah, this is what we got. So I said, sure, I'll take it. These are gonna be a pair of rear shocks. We've taken this car to inspection already. We got the inspection ticket back and it needs rear shocks, rear brake rotors, front bumper stuff. Doesn't look great. So the first shock that I unboxed, it actually looked different than one of the shocks that I've pulled off already. So I immediately went to kind of test it and make sure that it's going to go together and that this. It's going to work. It just look a little different than the old ones, kind of. Boom. These are cheap shocks. They were on sale even. I think they were like 60 bucks each or something. A little bit of hardware for the end. They don't come with like the new rubber bushing for the top. Whoa. Looks kind of sick. Performance drilled and slotted rotors. Looks needs a bit of sanding. That's obvious. There's a little scuff right there. That'll sand out just fine. See if I can find anything else. These edges here are like pretty important because they kind of hold the car bumper on the car. I'm gonna make sure that these little pieces aren't cracked or anything. Looks good. We're gonna get this prepped. Well, first I'm gonna move the vehicle out of the other side of the shop on the other side there. And we're going to put all the parts that need to get painted into the paint booth, and we're going to prep them. I changed my mind actually. First, I'm going to tackle the back end. I'm going to do the shocks and the rear brake rotors, get the wheels back on, and yeah, boom, we've started already. So, oh, don't mind this. This is for something else. This is the new brake rotors going on, drilled and slotted. They look sick. Okay, we're gonna put this in now. Ow, my ears. Look, that's sick, bro. Woo, drilled and slotted. New shock. Painted caliper. Looks badass. it done now. Got it done this. Whoop. Well, we got it done this. Whoop. 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 Anyways, that's it. And I hope you enjoy the video series, and thanks for watching. Peace.